Alright, I got you something up. Look like a little something. Got you a little something else, bud. I know. You like it? You like it? You like it? You like it? Wow. You like it? Meow. You like it? You like it like? You like it like? Me go slow now. Me go slow. Me go slow. Cause I go here, right? I go slow and I go mountain. You know, it's slow, it's shut down. I don't like it. I don't like it to die. I don't like it to die. Me don't like it. What are you gonna do, boy? Yeah, I know he's supposed to get over, but he's way over there. The lights ain't on, he's probably asleep. I'm gonna tell you something that happened. And it's funny. A whole lot of different reasons. The way it was funny. But my air freshener fell out. So I got some Glade plug-in. And I picked it up. It was just the case. The top part, the warmer. It was the warmer. And I couldn't find the oil thing to plug into it. So I was like, boom. I get it later. So a few minutes later, I looked, here to drink my coffee. And the oil thing was laying on top of the coffee mug. I'm like, cool. Grab it, put it in the warmer, plug it back in. A few minutes later, I decided I'll drink some coffee. And bruh, that oil from that Glade oil warmer was all on top of the coffee mug. And I didn't know it until I drunk it. Drunk some more water. It's all in my mouth right now. I done spit 37,000 times. So I gotta stop at the rest area, something. Brush my teeth again. And use this mouthwash, floss sticks for about 4 or 5 hours. It seems like this junk ain't going nowhere. Him, I'm gonna get over. He decided to road, he had trying us out, put up, he could, you know, at a time like that, right? You never know, the driver could walk around the truck and have a lot on his mind and no pay attention. Step out in front of the truck, you know. Or, you know, maybe how you say, maybe he getting in or out of the truck. And lose his balance, you know, and fall back into the path, you know, and it's not good. And maybe how you say, maybe he walking around the shore, you know, and he trip on a rock or a shoestring or something like that, and take, you know, maybe just one step or something into the path of the truck, you know, and it's no good for you. It's no good for you too, but it's no good for you. Real no good for you. You know, so you don't want to do that. Anytime you see a truck, emergency vehicle, car, anything, side of the road, you know, and go to Swiss lane. Get away far away as possible, so you know you don't hurt nobody. Kids. Yeah, no, I never see nobody do that. No, I never see nobody fall into traffic. No, I never see that. But I don't have to see it to know that it's possible.